Good evening, what people? Good evening, Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Berry, and I am plugging on Plug TV because we're live here at the movie premiere of Under the Carpet, produced by the one and only Iyabo, featuring Alabi Pasoma. We've got Deyemi, the actor. We've got Femi Jacobs in this movie. Under the Carpet, I know you all are thinking that what is this all about? But I don't know too. So let's go inside. Let's go see what this movie is all about. And also, let's hear what people have to say and what they're expecting in this movie.
A lot of things I don't know about him.
All they could think is just to watch them like this. Hey, why Koda? Let me tell you, Koda.
That house is not your house. It's my house. All right? And you're not my mother.
I have stood in that gap a million times.
A mother's sacrifice for her child knows no boundary.
You won't follow this one, they do a shower walk.
Someone who is not even educated. And to crown it all, a stripper.
Okay, guys, with me here is the small doctor of Lagos. Hi, small doctor.
I'm alright.
How you doing?
I'm great.
What's up with this your good teeth thing? Like, I like it.
It's been there for years. Oh.
Okay, what inspired?
Nothing inspired. In America, I was in America and I just felt like, let me do something special and did it. That's it.
Okay, all right. So you all out here for Iyabo Ojo. Tell me, what do you have to say about the title of this movie, Under the Carpet? Like, Under the Carpet, what's that?
Yeah, look at that second voice, Under the Carpet. Like, it's something naughty to me. Yeah, unboxing that pack, I was like, under the carpet. What is under the carpet? But for me, the carpet is under the carpet. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm looking out to see what is under the whole carpet.
Okay. All right. So aside Iyabo Ojo in this movie, which other actors are you looking for to see?
Alabi Pasuma. Alabi Pasuma. Yeah.
All right. So what do you have to say to people about this movie coming out 12th of March 2020?
I don't dare here now. I want to watch them now. So definitely, if you know choke, I don't go there here now. Everybody, come go watch them. Oh. Come go watch it. Oh. Come go watch them. Oh. I use 3 phrases. Yeah, 12th of March. Everybody, come out. Come go see Under the Carpet by the man myself, Iyabo Ojo. Okpo, it choke finish.
Okay, so guys, with me here is the one and only world best. Give it up for Mrs. Toyin Abraham at Deyemi. Good evening, Mama.
Good evening.
How you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm alright.
All right, so Mama, I love your outfit. It's so beautiful. Who made this?
House of Carrot.
Oh. Okay, so Mama, tell me, what exactly are you looking forward to see in this movie? Looking at the title, like Under the Carpet.
I can't wait. I've never been disappointed. Auntie Iyabo has never disappointed me, so I actually cannot wait.
Okay, so Mama, let's sell this show out to people. It's coming to the cinemas 12th of March. Tell the people out there.
Hey people, my name is Toyin Abraham at Deyemi. So Under the Carpet by Iyabo Ojo is going to be in cinemas from 12th of March. Oh my bad con. So come out, come and support us. We love you. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of Under the Carpet, and with me here is the fashion designer. She's an actor. I wouldn't want to call her a TikTok queen because she's always going on and off on TikTok. So, ladies and gentlemen, give it for Liz Da Silva. Good evening, Mama.
Hello. So you're my monitoring spirit.
I know, right?
Fine.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you
doing?
doing?
Mama, how are you doing tonight?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Listen, you look so beautiful. So tell me, how long did it take you to look this good?
I didn't know you were going to ask me this, so I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So looking at the title of the movie, Under the Carpet, what meaning does that bring to your head? Like,
I don't know until I see the movie and see what Iyabo Ojo got under the carpet. I don't know what we have under the carpet, and I'm so desperate
to watch it.
Yes, I just want to know what she's got under the carpet.
Okay, so the movie is to come out in the cinemas 12th of March. What are you going to tell people about this movie? Like, sell the movie to them.
I just want to tell people at least most of you know what Iyabo Ojo is all about. She doesn't do nonsense. She doesn't do rubbish. It's just for you to wait once the movie is out. Please watch, and I'm very sure you would learn one or two things from watching it. So thank you very much.
Okay, so guys, see who we have here. The one and only Sikira to Sindodo. Hello, Mama.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well. Between you look so beautiful, Mama. You don't want to grow old.
I'm not even wearing the. You know. I said, okay, let me just.
Look simple.
You understand? Yeah.
Okay, so Mama, you're all out here for Iyabo Ojo under the carpet. Under the carpet, what does that mean to you?
Well, I don't know the story yet, so I'm wondering what is under the carpet. I cannot wait. Okay. Actually, I trust Iyabo Ojo's movies because I've seen a couple of her films, but this is like an exceptional one. So I'm like, Iyabo, what's up?
And with the picture,
you know, yes, it's going to be one very sassy, sexy something. I cannot wait though.
Okay.
I can't wait, yeah.
All right, okay. So what do you have to tell people out there coming, because this movie is coming to the cinemas exactly 12th March. So tell people something there.
My beautiful people, on the 12th of March, come out and support Iyabo Ojo.
Right.
You know she's the queen of TikTok, and you can trust all that swags and all of that. So trust her and come and support her. And God bless you as you do.
Is the one and only delectable fashion police Kiki of Lele, and you can see she actually came prepared because the title of the movie says Under the Carpet, and she came all out for this. Mama, so tell me, who made this out?
Well, this outfit is from my collection, Akos collection, by the way. It's unbedded, and I mean, it's Iyabo Ojo's event, so I have to come all out. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay, so Mama, tonight, are you going to do some, stripping for us?
No, they must have pole inside now. There gotta be a pole inside. God, I'm gonna strip her. She'll get me now. Where to get that? No, stripper is what I used to do before. I was the same colleague with Cardi B. Do you get me now? But when I came back to Nigeria, I just started to try other things in content production. I still think to endeavor into it later on.
Okay, and we're looking forward to that anyway. So tell me, Kiki, what are you expecting in this movie? Like, Under the Carpet, what does that mean?
I just want to see a great film. I usually go into every screen with zero expectations so that I can enjoy every wow moment, enjoy every plot, every twist. I just want to watch a great film, and that's it.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay. So what do you have to tell people to come do on the 12th of March? Like, sell this movie.
On the 12th of March, you get out of your house, you approach a cinema close to you, check the time so you're not going to be waiting when you reach there, and watch the film. Thanks.
Thank you so very much, Kiki, and do enjoy the rest of the evening. What's up, people of Lagos? We're right here at the Under the Carpet movie premiere, produced by Iyabo Ojo. And right here with me is the pretty mic of Lele of Lagos.
It's short.
Good evening.
Good evening, how you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, pretty mic. So tell me, how do you feel to be here this evening?
I feel great.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your outfit? Who made it?
No, this is, I went to my closet and I put this together real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, I always have stuff like that. Is bada bing, bada boom.
Okay, looking at the title of the movie, Under the Carpet, tell me what exactly you're expecting from this movie.
Something fishy.
Going down.
Yeah. But I mean, the name says it all. Something corny, something. Well, Iyabo is creative, so I expect a lot.
Okay, so aside Iyabo Ojo being in this movie, which of the other actors are you looking forward to seeing this movie?
Iyabo Ojo.
Hey guys, it was such an interesting and a lovely night because I had fun watching this great movie Under the Carpet, produced by the one and only TikTok queen and the mama of Instagram. That's just the way I call her anyways. So Under the Carpet was such an interesting movie. I'm not going to tell you guys anything about this movie, I won't into anything. So come out on the 12th of March 2021. Come watch this great movie. We've got the likes of Femi Jacobs, we've got Deyemi the actor, Pasoma, and so many other fantastic actors you can't all wait to see. So come out on the 12th of March, watch this movie, and don't touch that dial. Keep watching Plug TV, where we bring you all of the great events happening right here in the city of Lagos. I still remain your humble girl, E to the NNY, BERRY, Anyberry. You can call me Any B. See you guys some other time.